Hey, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all the parts and install of this here metal roll bar for your Tacoma pickup truck. Here are all the parts laid out. Have all the roll bar segments here and the hardware and everything that you need. So let's get this thing put together. Now here's all the wire that comes tucked inside here. You would take that and fish it through this end. Just going to get someone to help you lift it up, set it right up here on the rail. Next, you're just going to drill the holes and secure it to your truck bed. Now you're just going to take this bolt. The nice thing about this roll bar is you can see here, it has plenty of room for your tonneau cover to go underneath. Now, let's say you don't have a tonneau cover and you don't want this just looking all open. They do give you some brackets here, one for each end of this, and then you just can install this right over the top and it'll cover that end cap so that this becomes all solid for you, has a little better look. This one would go on the back end over here and you just simply screw those on. Here is the final product. Really like the look it gives to my Tacoma. Definitely has more of that off-road look to it now. And as you can see, there is the light on the top. If you want to install the wiring and hook that up, you can do that for your brake light. Or it's actually tall enough that your brake light, you can easily see underneath, will work. Another thing, you're going to see this rail right here, right along the top. If you want to install some lights, light bar, anything like that, you can easily do so. Well, there you have it. If you're looking to add this to your truck here, this is a nice roll bar. It's very strong, very sturdy. The install was quick and easy. So if you want to add a little better look to your vehicle, give it more stability, I like this one.